Just now on Instagram, I saw this, Chetan Bhagat. He's one writer I idolize, and he's written that the secret to success is based on something you do every day. So, my God, I mean, it's just such a simple line, but it's so thought provoking. For me. Making these tacky videos is something I do every day, but no, but like I said, I really enjoy this whole process of connecting, because what happens is, um, I mean, like if you live alone, and there is like how this recent suicide that happened. So I think here for me, YouTube feels like I'm connecting with a whole bunch of people. Whether or not y'all want the connection, I'm like all there. So, but really, Chetan Bhagat sir, I think that was. I mean, y'all have to people. Y'all should follow him on Instagram, because some of the things he writes are like, it is so profound. I mean, it's so simple yet so profound. I think that's a very rare combination, in terms of, they say, haiku writing is, poetry that is really short, but it packs a punch, kind of thing. So that's the feeling I get when I read some of Chetan Bhagat's quotes on Instagram. So I don't know, here I'm just like endlessly going on with this video, but seriously, people, it's during your low time, especially, reading something that is motivating can make such a difference. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.